Assalamualaikum and greeting. We are students from Mechanical Engineering Department from Polytechnic Kuching, Sarawak. Today, we here to present the fabrication of bending and shaping. Before that, I want to introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Adli bin Mawandi and my member group is Bernard Baling Kamis and our supervisor is Mr. Chu Yu Seng. So this a little introduction. The fabrication of shipping tools have been executed for a long time in the heavy-duty industry in this modern era that we live now. A bent metal or iron that can be shaped to decorate a lot of things. For example, a lot of iron or steel get that can be sent. Nowadays have a flower or spiral shape to make the get look quite nice. The objective is cheap tool, easy and portable tools. And scope, we just use the thickness 1 mm until 2 mm, and we just use U-shape and spiral shape. We, we just need to use hollow pipe and flat tin. The problem statement is the bending and shaping machine that already exists are to carry around and expensive. Therefore, our project will not use any electricity and is easily to carry around when needed. So this I will pass to Bernard Baling.
Hello, my name is Bernard Baling, and I would like to start with the Gantt chart. There are 10 activities within 14 weeks for this project too. For the red color, it's planning process, and for the green color in the table, actual process. The first activities that we do is group discussion. From week 1 until week 5 is planning progress, and from week 1st, 2nd, and then the 5th is for the actual process. For the second activity is discussion with supervisor. From week 1 until week 7, we're planning for process, and then from week 1, 3, 5th, and 7 is the actual process. And the third activity is fixing the inventor design, which we start with week 5th until week 7, same with the actual process. And the fourth activity is material selection, with in week 1st and 2nd, same with the actual process. And the fifth activity is buying materials for project, from week 1st until week 6, and the actual process is week 1, 2, 5th, and 6. For activity number 6 is fabrication, from week 1 until week 10. The actual process is for the first week, and from the 5th until the 10th week. And then activity number 7, testing. We do it in the 10th week until the 11th week, same as the actual process. And the 8th activity is presentation 50%. That is on the 8th week, same as the actual process. And the 9th activity is finishing, from 11th until the 13th, same as the actual process. And the final presentation is on the 14th week, same with the actual process. Next up is the flow chart. First activity that we do is we have a group discussion between me and my teammates with our SV. After that, we choose materials and part that we needed for our tool. And then the next step is we assemble this tool with the materials that we have. After that, we test the harden of this tool to see how much it can bend. If it was a failure, we back to the last step, and then we reassemble this tool, and then we change all the materials and part that we needed to make this tool even better. If it was a success, we proceed with finishing this product, this tool, and then after that we ready it to make it bend for the final demonstration. Next up is analysis and project result. Technical analysis. The total weight for this tool is 16 kilogram. Next is manufacturing cost. There are two tables in this slide. First is estimated cost, which is 170 ringgit, and the second table is actual cost, which is 261 ringgit and 60 cent. Next is cost analysis. With this, we compare two tools with our tools. The first tool is Universal Bender SGB30 ID31775. For this tool, it can angle bending, roll bending, hoop and bending, coil bending. It's mostly used for decorated gates, door gates, and it's suitable for steel only, and it costs around 1,200 ringgit. For the next tool is manual multi-function pipe bending machine, manual. For this one, it have elbow tools and pipe bender hand bending machine, which is cost 4,003 ringgit and 30 cents. For our tool, it's have handles, bearing, and angular bending, full metal and tube into clamps. And it costs 261 ringgit and 60 cents. Next is video testing project. Now we show you the demonstration for this tool. Next is the conclusion. This tool can help workers who work in the industry because compared to its sizes, it's much more smaller than the tools that already exist in the market. Plus, it can save energy, time, and cost for the workers because they don't need to go back and forth from their workplace and the place they are to bend the materials. Finally, this tool also can help people with some specific people who have this interest in building mini Gundams, control cars, and control helicopters. And thank you.